Hey, what's happening, everybody? And every Shiba Inu holder out there that is checking back in on this video. So happy that you decided to come back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, welcome. Hopefully, you hit that subscribe button and you stay with us for the long run because Shiba Inu, in the long run, in my opinion, is a great, great play. We're going to get into some of the price action we've been seeing recently. Also, an update from Shitoshi and where I think SHIB is heading on this next leg up in terms of where the overall market is and where SHIB kind of fits into that equation. So let's talk about the price first and foremost. Now, SHIB is facing huge resistance that can end the bearish trend that we've been seeing. We're going to take a look at what that looks like a little bit. Really, we've been seeing a lot of consolidation over the past week or so. We're going to jump into that in just a minute. But our key support level, that means to the low side right now, is down at that 18 range. Our key resistance levels, number one is the 2.3 level. Then the next level is the 2.6. If we can break through that 2.6, that is really where we'll see a massive opportunity to run because we don't have a lot more resistance really secured after that 2.6 level here in the short term. Okay, so at the time of this writing, we can hop over here to Dex Tools and take a look at SHIB. We're at the 2.252 level right now. Okay, so that means if we bounce back over to this, we are above or getting close to, rather, that 2.3 level right now. We are seeing some sell-offs here just recently, but this thing is so heavily traded. We just had an 18.7 ETH buy followed by a few sell-offs here. But here's what I want to really, zoom into. These are 1 hour candlesticks. And we can see, look at that consolidation, really. That's been happening here in the low twos for a little while. Let's zoom out and go to the 1-day charts, and we can see a very similar story. There you go. That is the type of consolidation we've been seeing here. And now we're slowly seeing some breakouts, okay? So there you go. That's what we're looking with. These are daily candlesticks. Look how straight across this has been trading. Look at that in a very, very tight range, okay? So right here, we're at the 2.264. You could see where this line of resistance is right here at the 2.3. If we could break through that, the next line is up here at the 2.6. And then we've got really some room to run all the way back up to the high threes. This may be a little bit of a resistance here at the 3.2, but not much. Okay. We'd be back up here, I think, into the mid threes if we can break through that 2.6 range to the upside here. So I do think SHIB obviously is going to get back to all-time highs at some point here. I would say in Q1, Q2. We just don't have a lot of information in terms of what we're going to hear from Biden here in February and also what is going to happen in March. With all that being said, crypto has been running as of late, and we don't even know how crypto will respond to the actual events that will take place both this month and March. It could be a good thing for crypto, right? We'll have to see. But no matter what, the long-term outlook, my long-term outlook for SHIB is still very, very bullish, and I think we're going to get back up to these all-time high numbers on the next leg up for crypto, right? So when we see Bitcoin back up at 50K, 52K, that's where I think SHIB will start really running back up into the fives, at least into the sixes, and then I think more, obviously the higher we go, the less resistance we have up in these ranges, and I think we'll be easily back up to where we were in October and November. Okay, so I have been not necessarily buying the dip down here sparingly. I've been adding, okay, but I think this is a really good spot here at the 2.2 to do so. So if you are looking to add to your position, a long-term position, I do think it's a good spot. So let's bounce over here. Shitoshi had some quick updates here. Our swap domain provider is having some troubles. Meanwhile, we've bypassed the site to shibaswap.com, their secondary domain. You can access it through their official site to avoid any scammers at shibatoken.com, and they will update us once this issue is resolved. So just a brief update there in terms of some things going on with the swap. And other than that, that's your price analysis and your Shiba Inu update for today. And let's continue to watch the charts and watch crypto move higher because things have looked a lot better over the past week for Bitcoin and for the entire market. So excited about where we're heading. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'll see you in the next one.